We start to do the camel, out or in. Yes, we all start from the knee. The knee, they do the same wave like your belly and hip. You prepare your body to take 2 hip back. And after, from your middle of the belly, you go front to have contract in, and the same go back. And also with your knee accent. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. When we start to do all this down part, we have control with your upper body. It doesn't move every time, they don't move. It's just if you have some feeling, and also with the melody or rhythm in the music. In the basic, we have isolation, yes, from the side, 1 and 2. After you start to put, they change from your feet, yes, from the fingers, they have point. 1 and 2 and 3 and come back. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe go front with the 2. Yes, from the side and side. And also back. We have like 3 with a different level. Up and down, up and down.